everyone, it's me, Professor Gabby, and I'm here to host another Riddle Me This. Now remember, riddles are silly questions that have silly answers, but they make you use your oodles and noodles and think. All right, we have a theme today, but I'm not going to tell you till the end and see if you can guess it. Let's start. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? Oh, think. Okay, now I'll say it again. What is orange and sounds like a parrot? Think. Got your answer? Okay. It's a carrot! Captain Carrot! Oh my! Why, Captain Carrot, I didn't know you were coming today. What are you doing here? I'm just here to tell everyone to remember to share it! Now that's a silly carrot. Okay, let's move on to the second riddle. What has green hair, a round head, and a long, thin, white beard? This is an interesting one. I'll say it again. What has green hair, a round head, and a long, thin, white beard? Think. Got your answer? It's a radish. Get it? It has a green top, a round body, and it has long, thin, white beard. All right, now we have one more riddle. Do you know what the theme is yet? Okay, let's do another one. What is yellow, looks like a crescent moon, and has seeds? What is yellow, looks like a crescent moon, and has seeds? Think. All right, have your answer? It's a banana! Oh, hi, Banana! Hi, I find you all very appealing. Oh, well, have you guessed our theme? Food! And just like Banana, it's time for me to peel out of here. Thanks for watching another episode of Riddle Me This. Whoop, whoop.